9-133. Simplify each expression. And it looks like these expressions are made up of exponents. So let's see. Here it looks like we have one exponent multiplying another exponent. Here we have exponents being divided by exponents. And here it looks like it's multiplying exponents again. So it might be helpful if we went back and reviewed our rules for exponents that are in the Math 8 or Chapter 8 Math Toolkit. So let's go ahead and scroll down to where the laws of exponents are. So a product of powers. So here we're looking at an example where two exponents are being multiplied together. So when you multiply these exponents, the base stays the same, so this is what we get in the end. This is simplified. The base stays the same, but the powers are added together. So this is 2 to the third power times 2 to the fourth power, so it ends up being 2 to the seventh power because we added the 3 to the 4. So here that is generalized. So if you have any two exponents with the same base, you just take the powers and add them together to find out what the simplified version is. Okay, so let's go back and do that first problem, which is a multiplication of powers. And I'm going to rewrite the problem here. So it's, this is A, and it's 3x to the fourth power times x to the third power. So it might be helpful first, though, if we get rid of these parentheses. So I know that everything inside the parentheses has to be taken up to this fourth power. So 3 to the fourth power, we could just write as 3 to the fourth power, but we also know that it is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times. So 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 9 is 27. And then I could do 3 times 27. Another way I could do it is just, if I just factor these out, then I notice that 3 times 3 is 9. And that happens both times, 9. And then I can just multiply 9 times 9. Okay, so 9 times 9 is 81. So 8 to the fourth power is 81. And then we have x to the fourth power. And so now we can take away the parentheses, and now I'll just multiply it times x to the third. All right, so if we're multiplying 81, the coefficient of x to the third power is just 1, the invisible 1. So 1 times 81 is equal to just 81. And then if we have these two bases of x, so we'll add the powers. So that'll be 4 plus 3, x to the seventh power. Okay, so now we're done. That is simplified as much as we can do.